Hello and welcome. My name is Johanna Marin Carbonne. I'm an isotope geochemist at the University of Lausanne, and I would like to invite you to a seminar to discuss the importance of microbialites and the potential biosignatures they can record. Microbialites are rocks formed under the influence of microorganisms, and they have been present on Earth since 3.5 billion years old. These rocks are fascinating because they can tell us about the earliest form of life on Earth and the evolution of the atmosphere through time. However, deciphering the biogenicity of some of these oldest rocks is sometimes very challenging. So in this seminar, I will look at how stromatolite, the laminated type of microbialite, can form and how the study of modern stromatolite can help us to define criteria for assessing the biogenicity of these rocks. I will also take you through the emblematic Archean stromatolite to review what we have learned from the various isotope and geochemical studies that have been carried out recently, and how we can go further to assess the type of microbial activity that can be preserved in these rocks. So I'm looking forward to see all of you next week.